We're getting sisig. This time in Pampanga. Let's go.
This was the original inventor of sisig.
Wow, look at that. Oh my God. Wow, it's definitely the best sisig I've ever had. Additional sisig for the boys. It's like melting your mouth. It's fantastic, bro. Thank you for taking me here. Woo, bro, goosebumps, man. Sisig is a popular Filipino dish and it was invented right here in Pampanga. It's made from the eyes, ears, snout, liver, and brain of a pig, and it's all chopped up and grilled on a sizzling plate. Believe it or not, everyone here loves it, and right now I'm gonna give it a try. I'm here in Pampanga for the very first time, and I'm trying nothing more than the original sisig, the famous sisig, one of my favorite Filipino dishes that Anthony Bourdain himself tried.
This is really, really good.
Let's go in the restaurant. You can see Anthony Bourdain came here. He is my idol, my role model. He was shooting here on the street.
Sisig was in fact invented here at the Aling Lusing restaurant by its owner, Lucia Cunana. Show me how it's done, man. I could eat that in the morning.
I remember as a kid watching that episode, this is a quote. If you've never had this divine mosaic of pig parts chopped and served sizzling and crisp on one side on a screaming hot platter, then you've yet to have one of the world's best beer drinking dishes. We're gonna have that right now.
I'm actually from Virginia. Seeing you here, one of my idols, I watch you every freaking day, man. I just cannot believe seeing you in English.
Are you excited to be here?
Of course, the sisig, man. Number one, Aling Lusing. I know her story. It's a sad story. It's a must try. But this dude, yo, gotta watch this guy, man. It's all about the Philippines.
I told you you were American. The moment you said hello, I knew you were American.
Much respect.
We are now entering the kitchen. It's a giant bowl of sisig, chopped pig parts, snout, ears, everything else that's usually not eaten on the pig is in this bowl. What is this one? This is sisig?
This
Before they chop it.
Forget to chop it.
And what about this one?
Sisig.
Everything is sisig.
Yes.
Wow. Is this like the original sisig?
It's original.
Original. She's saying it's the original sisig place, and now it's famous all over the Philippines. Look at that grill out there. This restaurant is super packed. I like the old rustic feel, like the old pictures on the walls that are rubbing off. The sisig queen. So Aling Lusing is the first lady who thought about this dish and created it. Now it's really famous all over the Philippines. So to start, we get this seaweed salad. It's kind of interesting. Dana likes it. All right, the sisig has arrived. Oh my God, it's sizzling hot. It just jumped on my hand. This is literally boiling hot water, feels like. Wow. If that's not sizzling, then I don't know what is. Look at that. Oh my God. We're putting some lime on it, thank you. And the pepper, should I just cut it?
You mix it.
I chopped up the pepper. Oh, I understand. I did it wrong. Use the side of the spoon to cut. That's the secret of the Philippines. They don't have knives. Just gotta take some rice. You put some of the sisig on the spoon, which is chopped pig ears, pig snout, pig brain. What else is in here?
Is everything nice?
Everything nice about the pig that you probably don't eat at home is in here. Oh yeah. Wow. This is definitely the best sisig I've ever had. Woo! The thing about sisig is you get different textures in one bite. Some of it's really hard, some of it's really soft, but the flavor of the sisig is fantastic. Everything that Anthony Bourdain said is true. This is one of the best dishes in the world.
This is just so awesome. One more.
Good? Like, it's like melts in your mouth. It's fantastic, bro. Thank you for taking me here. This is soy sauce with onions in it. Just kind of dump it on the rice. At least I do. Oh man. It's funny how this dish would be considered really extreme in most other countries. Most Western countries, I should say. But here it's just so normal and so good. The best. If you're not talking, that means the food is good. Additional sisig for the boys.
Another sisig.
You got it, bro. How would you describe that in one word?
It's juicier than other sisig.
It is.
I think it's because of the fat.
Not to mention, this is the third day in a row we've had sisig, but this is the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, bye-bye. Well, that was absolutely incredible. Highly recommend SISIG if you come to the Philippines. And I want to know your thoughts. Do you think it's a bizarre food? I used to think it was bizarre when I first tried it, but now I just think it's normal because I've been in the Philippines so many times. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. I love you all. I love the Philippines, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this video, please comment your thoughts down below. I'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to this channel for more awesome travels. And also, I'm giving away a free digital version of my top 100 best travel photos of all time. All you have to do is click the link below and sign up for my free email newsletter, and you'll be sent this straight to your inbox. Thank you guys. Stay safe, be spontaneous, and just go.